Hey everyone, just want to give you a small update on what's going on, and as you can see on my screen, this month for my patrons we'll be creating those kind of trails. So I just want to give you an idea on how to create the materials and basically my process on how to create those kind of materials, and also the Niagara setup for the trails, for the smoky trails, the sparks, you know, the whole setup basically. I'll be aiming to create something similar to this or even better, but we'll have to wait and see how it goes. I also want to let you know that I reached 30 patrons, and because of that I'll be introducing the voting system to tier 2 and tier 3. So basically you'll be able to vote on what tutorials would you like to see next. I've got a couple ideas already, but yeah, so this is what's gonna be happening on my Patreon, and for my YouTube audience we'll be creating those trail textures in Substance. I'm not sure about this one, but we're definitely gonna create this soft smoky texture and those two as well, so we can have a variation and basically something that we can test you know, our effects with. So yeah, it's just, you know, small update letting you know what we'll be doing this month. Alright, thanks for watching.